This is the Quick Start video tutorial that explains how you can add a new time log record for a non-task sales activity in the Time to Money database. For the Quick Start version of a tutorial that explains how you can add a new time log record for a task sales activity, select the Quick Start at Task Sales Activity video. For an expanded version of this tutorial with expanded explanations, navigation, and confirmation information displayed, select the expanded Add Non-Task Sales Activity Time Log Database video. Time to Money lists all users in your company for whom you have been empowered in your user database to enter actual work hours. For this demo, I select Luigi Peluso. Section 1 controls the structure of your time log session. The confirmation activation, which we see here, and here are the choices, when set to yes, displays all of the confirmation information for each of the choices you select in a gray color. Confirmation information cannot be changed during a run, only later by changing the database in which it is stored. The default settings from your user database is no, and I will leave this setting for this demo. This allows you to view or load the script of one of the videos. For adding a new time log record, and we see a set here, or one of the reports you can select to generate after this run, which we see here. For these videos, there are two versions. The Quick Start version describes only the template or the report, while the expanded version also includes navigation and confirmation information. Section 2 controls messages and reports to be displayed. For this demo, I select which messages to show or hide. I'm going to basically leave it as hide all comments. Or do you want to add another record? After adding this record, I'm going to select no. And finally, for select time log report choice, I'm going to select time log records report. Section 3 is where you select the date on which the work was done. The calendar, which we see here, starts on April 1st, 2015, and the day of the week, Wednesday, is displayed as confirmation. For this demo, I'm going to select May 29th, 2015. Which we can see is a Friday. Section 4 is where you select the type of work activity to be reported. We see the choices. And for this demo, I select non-task sales activity. The first of the pull-down menus, for information purposes only, lists those non-task sales activities which you have already reported on the selected date. For this demo, no sales non-task activities have been reported for May 29, 2015, so the pull-down menu is blank. In the second pull-down menu, you select the single, specific, non-task sales activity you want to report for this session. You can only report a single non-task sales activity in a session. For this demo, I'm going to select intellectual capital. Time to Money displays for information purposes only the number of hours that you scheduled for this date for your selected specific non-task sales activity, which we see here. Section 12 is where you enter the actual number of hours that you worked on this specific non-task sales activity on the selected date. For this demo, I enter 1.50 hours. This completes the data entry for recording a specific non-task sales activity. To enter this record in your time log database and activate the selected report, if any, you click on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. Time to Money displays the selected report module in a new tab. And you can scroll down this report and confirm that the new record has been added. And here it is. And I'm going to scroll back up to the top. You can get a PDF copy of this report by clicking on the PDF button in the right-hand corner of the screen. You can log out from the Time to Money solution at any time and after you've completed your session by clicking on the Sign Out menu item in the upper right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. After reviewing the selected report, if you want to continue this session, scroll up to the New tab and click on the return arrow to return to the selected workflow. In this demo, you would be returned to the TimeLog template to add additional records. This completes the Quick Start video demonstrating how you can add a new TimeLog record for a non-task sales activity in the Time to Money database.